down the long side. You've got to keep that back end moving. Can you feel how he just starts to go on the forehand, doesn't he, going down there? Yeah. So if your leg comes away, the back end stops. You've really got to push. Who's going next? Go on then, Georgia Porgy. George, if you're tired, then just go canter between F and A and canter round to H. Okay, you don't have to do a circle if you're too tired. That's it. You gonna have an early night tonight? Yeah. Come across to F. Your chances are getting better. I think you just see what you need to do with him, because he does run along the front side, doesn't he? When you're getting to a place where you've got to turn, say a corner or you want to do a circle, you'll balance and ride that turn, because he does run on in front of it. He's clumsy, like you can tell. When we first got him, he hadn't scored at all. So he's got a lot better. Pardon? Go guys. Did a bit. Marky looks like he's rounding up a bit more. Sean, does he feel okay? Good. Do you want to go and do some jumping? Once and get 2 strides and then go for again and get 1 stride, wouldn't you? Chop and change what you do so that you can move it then. How you do it? Good. Good. I think I've got the green one off. Have a look at Charlotte's turn, see how she rides her. I bet she didn't ride for them. That was better because you sat up and waited for number 1 then, didn't you? Okay. If you get a bit too go and hold at number 1, then you used it for the rest of it, don't you? That was good. Much better. Well done.
He likes drinking from hoses.
He's like licking it.
Oh, good boy. Is this good? Jax, I'm enjoying this.
Oh, there we go.
Okay.